Gosh, I think for 20 years, I've heard Iowans talking about needing to keep Iowans in Iowa and that workforce need. And really anything that we do, including the work that IIN is doing so well, to bring students to employers, having them understand what the menu of career opportunities could be. I think that's especially important in light of there are careers right now that 5 years ago didn't exist. And I think for these students as well, they really need to just understand what's available in the workplace and also understand that that is going to change quickly and develop those skills in terms of really being adaptable.
There's no reason why Iowa can't be a tech hub, can't be a STEM hub, like why we can't retain, the talent that goes to Iowa State and just have them here locally in the Des Moines area or wherever in the state. So I think that the state as a whole, kind of investing in that program, it gets more people interested in the businesses we have here, and the more talent that stays here, the more manufacturing stays here, the more other companies want to move here, because we have a talent pool and we have people who are qualified for the roles and the jobs. So.
I think I would say to young people, it's an incredible opportunity to see how different companies work. It's something that when I was younger, I didn't even think about that. So it's exciting from my standpoint to see young people step out of their comfort zone to actually approach a company and want to go through it. So that's really neat, and just take advantage of that opportunity because you can really learn a lot from it.